In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Apple Intelligence on your iPhone on iOS 26. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, all you want to go ahead and do is go over to your settings application, like so, scroll down, and once you scroll down enough, under Action button, you're going to see Apple Intelligence and Siri. So the first thing is you just want to make sure that it's enabled, like so, where it has the green button, and you're going to see a bunch of different options here. So you can have Siri requests, so you can change and customize the way that Siri works. You can even change the voice if you want to as well, and the way it responds. There's also different extensions that you could use where it says Siri and other features can use ChatGPT to help answer your requests, which can be very useful, especially if you're someone who already uses ChatGPT a lot. There's also suggestions as well, which is quite useful. And I've been using them quite a lot as well, where it says suggest apps before searching, or allow notifications, or show in in-app library, show when sharing, or show listening suggestions. And if you don't know what that is, it basically suggests anything that it might think you're needing or looking for or searching. And yeah, it's honestly very good to use. And yeah, it's as simple as that. There's a lot to go through, but it's definitely worth turning on. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe and check out our other videos as well.